There. And this is the entrance to this mandir, and look at this. You really feel that you're in some ancient mandir. A lot of woodwork, excellent woodwork, paneled, and look at the columns, the doors, beautiful engravings on the wood, filigree work, whatever, it's the curtain like work that they've done. This is the entrance to the mandir, and so very well done, the engraving, the woodwork. Look at this, the doors, the columns. So that's the visiting hour. This is how it is, the way it is, so pretty. So can you just enjoy the woodwork, intricate woodwork, as one can see. That is the roof, or the ceiling rather. At the temple.